Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower foam bricks effectively. First, you need to prepare your foam. Gently place the foam brick into a basin of clean water. Let it float and absorb water naturally until it sinks completely, which usually takes about 1 minute. Do not force it underwater, as this can create dry pockets, preventing your flowers from getting enough hydration. Once your foam is fully saturated, it is time to cut and fit it into your container. Use a sharp knife to trim the foam to the desired size and shape. Make sure it fits snugly inside your vase or bowl, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top rim. This snug fit is crucial for providing a stable foundation for your floral arrangement. Now for the fun part, arranging your flowers. Start by inserting your larger, focal flowers first, positioning them to establish the overall shape. Then, add your filler flowers and greenery, inserting stems at an angle to create depth and coverage. Make sure each stem penetrates at least 1 inch into the foam to ensure proper water uptake and stability for your beautiful blooms. To keep your floral arrangement looking fresh and vibrant for as long as possible, proper maintenance is key. Check the foam's moisture level daily and add water as needed to keep it consistently moist. Avoid placing your arrangement in direct sunlight or near heat sources, as these can cause your flowers to wilt quickly. With these simple steps, your flowers will thrive for many days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.